Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Another episode of Dave This Vet Cooks. All right, we're going to make something. We're going to make something with this thing here. That's right. We're going to do something different. No slow cooker. Here we go. Let's get started. That's right. We're going to make Bundt pan roasted chicken and vegetables. That's right. We're going to use this thing. We're going to put it in there. So what does it take? Well, it's going to take a chicken. And we're going to take some carrots. Whoa, sorry about that. We're going to take some carrots, some potatoes, and some onions. And we're just going to cut them in big pieces, throw them down here. We're going to line them up down here. Then we're going to put the chicken. That's right. If you've ever done beer can chicken, this is kind of an offshoot of that. And so let's get started. Let's cut up some vegetables and let's make it happen. Alrighty, here we go. Alrighty, let's get started. Here's some onion. We'll take that outer skin off. There we go. Now what I'm doing is I'm dumping them right here, right into the Bundt pan, spreading them out all over the place. Also, while we're doing this, we're going to preheat the oven to 450 degrees, I think is what it said. Yeah, 450 degrees. We're going to go ahead and do that. And my doggo, he agrees. Just cut these down a little bit. There we go. Alrighty, the potatoes, I'm using the Yukon Gold potatoes. So I know that the recipe originally calls for some red potatoes, but we're going to cut these into eighths, halves, quarters, eighths. Look at that. Half, quarter, eighth. These will cook down nicely. Whoa, that's a big one. Oh, that hasn't been cut into eighths yet. Yeah, there we go. Alrighty. So, again, preparation for going outside. We are going to go ahead and, do a little something different here. And as we make our way outdoors, we're going to make another slow cooker recipe. It's on tap here. And I think you'll like the next one, so it's all right. Quarter, eighths. Oh, I think we may have. We'll figure it out. A lot of potato. Where's the chicken gonna go, right? But because the recipe calls for 3 to 4 pounds of chicken, we have almost a 6-pounder. So I don't know. And then we still got to add these things here. Right. I have some of the hardest time dealing with this because there's a Ziploc. It looks like a Ziploc, but you still have to tear it. And then it says cut it. It's not even scored or anything. And we'll just go and get a little handful. Baby carrots. Along with that, there we go. But yeah, look, we've already filled this thing up. So, And herein lies the issue. I think we got it. Yeah, we got it. Yay! All right. All right, there it is. All right, now what we're going to do with the chicken, well, we're going to go ahead and take it out of its wrapper, and we're going to just give it a quick little hose down, pat it dry, and then we're just going to add some olive oil all over it, and we're going to sit it right here. But before we do that, before we sit it right here, what we're actually going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this all under control here first. Yeah, it's going to fall. Yeah, see, told you it's going to fall. All right, no big deal. Okay, so what are we doing? We're going to put salt, pepper, some spices on top of the chicken, on top of the olive oil, and then we're going to plop it right here. We're going to cap this up with some aluminum foil. That way the drippings don't go down. It's going to be on another pan. It's going to be on top of another pan. The problem is when the drippings go down, I've been told that they actually bake onto the other pan, which renders the other pan almost impossible to clean, but it does get cleaned. So let's go ahead and move things around. Let's get ready for the chicken. And again, we're not cutting the chicken up. That's it. We're doing it whole. We're baking a whole chicken. All right, there's the chicken in the Bundt pan. I don't know if you can see, but we did put the aluminum foil right down here. All right, let's go ahead and put the stuff back onto it. Now we did take away some of the potatoes. It's going to be nice and tasty. Now again, the recipe did call for a 4-pounder, 3 to 4 pounds. So this is actually a 6.5 pound chicken. So it's going to be quite tasty, quite juicy. Oh, well, thank you there. To help stabilize it, stand it up. Yeah, there we go. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. Now I can put other stuff in there. Get some carrots. And again, don't forget, this is going to cook down. So if you've got it above the rim, it will cook down. We're talking about the veggies. And there it is. There it is. Salt, just salt, pepper, olive oil, nothing fancy. All right, we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven for 450 degrees for the first 15 minutes. And then we're going to downgrade it down to 350 for the rest of the time, another 45 minutes. And so all in all, it's an hour of cooking time. It might take a little bit longer because it is a little bit bigger, but then again, might not. We'll see. All right, so again, it depends on your oven, but we're going in the oven, no slow cooker this time. All right, here we go. All right, here it is. Using our Temptations glove, we'll go ahead and slide the rack back in. 450 degrees. It's 450 degrees, and we'll set the timer here for... Whoa, a little too much. And the clock is ticking. All right, we'll see you in 15 minutes. All right, the first 15 minutes are done, so now we're going to drop it 100 degrees and go down to 350. There we go, we're set. And you actually have to tell it to go down. All right, now we're going to wait here another 45 minutes. And let's set our timer for that. And again, that's for the 3 to... but I'm going to give it a full 55 minutes. The original recipe was for, and the time was for the 3 to 4 pounder. We're looking at 6.5. So I'm going to give it, like I said, another 10 minutes, and let's see what that looks like. So here we go. Alrighty, so we had to add a little more time to this. So we added about another 30-40 minutes. It's still cooking. It's in the oven. Again, because of the size of the chicken, it was definitely, 2 times as much as the original recipe called for. The original recipe was for a 3 to 4 pounder, and of course, we purchased a 6.5 pounder because we're in Texas. Things are bigger in Texas. That's just the way it is. So you find out. Come to Texas, you'll find out. Alrighty, so we made that adjustment. We're not going to have raw chicken. Sorry, we're not eating raw chicken. So that being said, I want to take a moment to thank everybody for watching, liking, subscribing, doing all the things that, all the little buttons down below. And hey, don't forget to hit that bell for that notification. That way you're notified the next time I post a video. Like if you had clicked that bell, you would have been notified this video was posted. All right, so make sure you do that. And I do appreciate you doing that. And hey, don't forget to leave some comments. Let me know if you've made these recipes. Also, let me know if there's any recipe you'd like for me to try or an ingredient you want me to add to the recipe. All right, so make sure you do that. All right, also, want to, again, for the veterans, you know who you are. Yes, you know who you are. You too, veterans, yes, doesn't matter. All right, don't forget, Veteran Crisis Line. Again, need help, anything, dark place, you want to talk to somebody, not too sure, an impartial third party, definitely is the best way to go. 988, dial 988 on your phone. No phone today. 988, and then press 1 when the automated attendant answers. So again, don't forget to make the call. Again, you can also text. The text number is 838-255. So again, 838-255. But make sure you're in your message app, because 838 is not going to work on a phone. All right. So again, 838-255. Text again. They're going to ask you some questions. If you feel comfortable answering, answer. They're there to help. But on the same token, if you need any more than what they can do for you, they're going to need additional information. So you're going to have to peel back a layer or two and share with them. But don't hesitate. They're there for that. That's what they're there for that reason. So make the call. Again, 988, and then press the number 1. Go to the website, and you can chat online. You can chat online, the Veteran Crisis Line. .net, that website. I want to make sure I have that. Yes, Veterans Crisis Line, all one word, .net, and make the call. All right, listen, got a couple more minutes, and then we'll get into the oven, and we'll take it out, and we will do the, oh, never mind. We'll do something here in a bit. All right, there it is. It's out of the oven. Looks great. Golden, delicious flavor. Look at all the veggies down below. All right, let's go ahead and plate this thing. Let's start eating. It's late. All right, there it is. I got a chicken wing. We're gonna go. We already cut it down. It's getting late. Time for dinner. Let's give it a tasty. What this is all about. Again, it's a wing. Salt, pepper, olive oil, and then still very juicy. I'll give you that much. Oh my. Nice. Roasted chicken in a Bundt pan. Oh yeah, the salt. I used the bigger flakes of the salt, so I use sea salt or something like that. That's great. Pepper, just right. Olive oil, just right. Skin, nice and tight, crispy. Hey, listen. Bundt pan, roasted chicken and vegetables. I'm Dave Guerra, and this Vet Cooks.